Hi, my name is Noman Ashraf. I am 40 years old, and as a background, I am a software engineer, and I work as a software engineer in some time, and also work as a network administrator for some companies. So, what are my strengths and weaknesses as a person? I am very humble, quite patient, work with very delegation, and my communication skills are very good, so I can convey my message to the other people in a good manner. So I also take a note on time management, that is more important these days. So as on the weakness side, I am a bit shy person. So for sometimes I am a bit shy to ask something, and sometimes it is really difficult for me to balance the time between my family and my professional life. So I also feel hard sometime to say no to everyone on if someone call me for help or something like that. So one more thing, like I feel that I have comparatively a less experience in core programmings and web development kind of things. So I am not very good, but I can do the university assignments, and because I don't have too much experience in the programming. So then the next question is, how does the study program support the professional goals? So the program is defined in a very good manner, and if you feel if I feel like you have seen the industry requirements, and you have merged the software engineering and the cloud services. So when you have a software, when you apply the software engineering techniques on the cloud platform, so I think it's a really good package. And when you complete this degree, you will be a very attractive person for the companies to hire you. So I think it has a very good scope. So the next question is, how does my previous studies and work experience sports to successful the program? Yeah, for me, I have done the bachelor's in computer science, and then I have studied 160 credits in especially in software engineering from the Sweden. So the I think like I my previous education is more or less like it's moving around the computer science. So I think it wouldn't be hard for me to this program, and I think it's not many things are new for this in this program for me. So for somehow I know most of the things. And for my experience, yeah, for experience, I work as software engineers in Pakistan, and then the thing is I work as a network administrator in the recent years. So these for this question, and the next thing is, what kind of expertise do I have in computer and IT skills? Like for the hardware, I can assemble, deassemble, troubleshoot, and I do everything with the hardware and network hardwares as well. For programming, so I know the Java programming, and then the JavaScript, mostly C++. So these kind of programming languages I have the knowledge of. And then the other thing is like very good in project management and agile technologies as well in the software engineering. So recently I have decided, like I was doing decided to do the Azure certifications for something like Azure 104 and something more. So I think like my experience is relatively good in this field. So how can I defend my English professional English language? Yeah. So for this question, I think like when I came to Sweden, before that I have done the arts with a very good band. So it's the story of a couple of years old, and I think might be expired, and I didn't find. But and after that, I have completed 160 credits from the Swedish university in English. So I think they can define my English level, and I do studied technical writing skill courses in universities. So I can write a good articles, and I have a good writing skills. Like when you study software engineering, you need to write the reports on different topics and different projects. So these kind of I have a good experience in that one also. So I also studies research methodologies, so where you learn the technical the English writing for the projects and academic thesis, these kind of things. So I was also involved in software engineering projects where the writing skill, where I improved my writing skill in the previous years. So that's pretty much for me in a very short video. So hope to see you in the interview. Thanks and bye bye.